What's up, Dope Chaser? My name is Jason White, CEO and founder of Witness Riches. And I have something very special that I want to share with you at the end of this video. It's going to be about 2 to 3 minutes long. Please bear with me. At the end of this video, I'm going to have a very special offer with you, and it's going to make you want to sign up for our credit repair service today, okay? But really quick, I want to break down something to you that a lot of people don't understand. With good credit, we're talking about a 700 credit score or better. If you were to buy a car for $25,000, okay, your interest rate will typically be around 3.11%, okay? At 3.11% over 60 months, that will give you a $450 monthly payment, all right? Over the span of 60 months, you're gonna pay $27,026, okay? If we were to subtract 25,000 from 27, that means that we're only paying $2,026 in interest, which is awesome, right? That means that you're not being heavily penalized as someone who has bad credit. Now, what I want to share with you is the reverse side of this. What the typical person who has bad credit, how much they're paying for the same $25,000 car. Bear with me 1 second. This is going to blow your mind. Let's say someone with a credit score of 550, they're looking to buy a car. That same $25,000 car, they're going to put you at a 25% interest rate. Some of you are at a 25% interest rate right now. That 25% interest rate over a span of 60 months, your monthly payment is going to be $734. If you don't believe me, pull out your calculator and do the math. $734 a month for the same $25,000 car. Over a span of 60 months, this person is going to pay roughly $44,000 for the same $25,000 car. That means when we do the math, 25,000 subtracted from that, that means this person end up paying $19,000 in interest. This is the difference of a 700 credit score versus a bad credit score. For the same $25,000 car, because of your bad credit, you're being penalized $19,000. It's not fair. The system is not fair. However, it is a system, and systems can be used to win. What we want to do is we want to help you improve your credit so you're not being ripped off by the system. You deserve this $25,000 car, and you deserve the same interest rate as anyone else. However, it's a game. Your credit has to improve in order for you to get the same benefits, unfortunately. But bad credit isn't permanent. There's a way for you to fix your credit, and we have the formula. Despite all of the negativity going on in the media and social media, I want to be a resource to you. You may be someone suffering from a high interest rate and you need to refinance. In order for you to refinance, your credit score has to be better. If you are struggling with improving your credit, I urge you to sign up for our credit repair service and give us the opportunity to serve you. What we're going to do is we're going to work on the 5 components of your credit score. We're going to work on removing negative information that is hurting those 5 components. And we're also going to educate you on the credit building process so you can expedite your increases. For today only, I'm going to give you the opportunity to sign up for our credit repair service the first 30 days for just $9.99. That is a $65 saving. Typically, the enrollment fee is $74.99, but for today only, I'm going to give you the opportunity to start our credit repair program for just $9.99. This is an opportunity that you don't want to miss out on. If you are someone who needs to improve their credit, please review this page, learn more about our credit repair program, look at our requirements, and sign up today. We want to help you fix your credit so you're not being taken advantage of by the system, but instead you're using the system and taking advantage of it. Again, my name is Jason White. I'm excited for your future. Sign up for our service today, $9.99 to get started, and we look forward to serving you. Make sure you read the information below this video so you can learn more about our program and get started today. We look forward to serving you. I'm out. Peace.